If you're experiencing issues with Zelle transfers that remain pending, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause delays in processing transactions. Step 2. Confirm recipient information. Verify that the recipient's email address or phone number is correct. An incorrect entry can lead to pending transfers as the system tries to locate the intended recipient. Step 3. Review your bank's policies. Check with your bank to understand their policies regarding Zelle transactions. Some banks may have specific limits or hold times for transfers, which could result in pending status. Step 4. Update the Zelle app. Make sure that you have the latest version of the Zelle app installed. Outdated software may cause functionality issues, including pending transfers. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Zelle customer support or your bank's customer service for assistance. They can provide specific insights and help resolve the pending transfer issue. By following these steps, you should be able to address pending transfers in Zelle effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance.